Let us start off this fragrance composition by explaining the dominating orchid scent in Fresh 7. This native orchid carries fragrant flowers that are highly debatable when it comes to describing its scent. To us, it carries the scent of soft eucalyptus or peppermint, while interestingly, others have commented that it smells like root beer or antiseptics. What do you think? Fragrances capture our most powerful memories. The most beautiful ones or the worst ones. To make your scent experience a beautiful one, we have included therapeutic orchids in it, boosting your comfort while providing soothing, calming effects. Apart from that, they also contain healing and medicinal properties. Let's find out more. Consumed mainly as a health tonic for the body, this therapeutic orchid aids as a blood purifier for illnesses related to blood diseases. It is also a traditional remedy to treat insect bites and itch. This orchid is highly regarded as a medicinal drug to relieve fever and abdominal pain. Other uses include inducing restful sleep for those suffering from insomnia. Other components that accorded to this refreshing composition includes fresh hyacinth and wisteria. Water hyacinth scent combines the sweetness of green florals with lingering aquatic nuances. Similar to the scent of the regular hyacinth but with less potency, it does a similar job in lending a sharp, sweet, refreshing note to fragrances. Possessing a soft floral note with nuances of lilac and spice, wisteria adds a boost of vitality and refreshment to the fragrance. A flower reminiscent of spring, it is incredibly beautiful both sight and smell. These spectacular violet blooms are also symbolic of happiness, longevity, and love, conjuring an identical effect in fragrances. Beyond its beauty, its essential oil can be used therapeutically to rid the mind of negative and troubling thoughts, or simply just for the use of meditating. A brilliant fragrance of pristine and refreshing simplicity, it is perfect for the polished and charming gentleman to wear on a daily basis.